Yo, what is good, everyone? So today wasn't super eventful, but that is okay. That is okay.
Black boy joy, she wanna see the Forbes like I wanna see her form. Tell me what you for, yeah. Ayy, you pay me what I'm owed, yeah.
What did I do today? Today, I had to really clean this desk. It is like super dirty and there's pencils and stuff just everywhere. I went for a run this morning, which was great. Again, if you've been watching these vlogs, you know that I like to run in the morning. It was quite nice. It's interesting though, like if you leave like 10 minutes later, definitely 20 minutes later than what you normally do, like it's different. When I run at 5, it's like super quiet. Don't really hear much. Don't really see a lot of people. When I leave at like 5:10 or even like 5:20, things get weird. Like there's like so many people out, so many people walking. I guess 5 o'clock is like the sweet spot because it's a little bit early, not as many people. And when I'm getting back, because 5K usually takes me like 23 minutes on a good day, 25 minutes on a just like relaxed day. So by the time I get back, the roads are a little bit busier, but I definitely see people and the sun is up. I love running when it's dark and then getting back when the sun is up. It's pretty sweet. I also went to the grocery store, picked up a couple things, a couple sweets, a couple treats. Don't really celebrate Halloween. Used to enjoy it, but yeah. Other than that, I spent a lot of time working on my middle grade book today. Finished a chapter. Well, I didn't write the whole chapter today, but I finished what I was doing with that chapter. So chapter 7 is completed. Now looking at chapter 8. And again, it's just stuck in my head. This story is just stuck in my head. I really hope that I can make it make sense for my agent and editor, or an editor at some point, but stuck in my head. It's still coming. Lots of ideas still coming. Other than that, it's pretty short weekend vlog. Didn't go out this week because you don't have to go out every week to enjoy yourself. You don't. You really, really don't. Tomorrow, you will see another part to the series of writing. Again, please try to share it with anyone who's interested in writing, specifically kids. It is meant for kids, but again, if you're an adult and you are looking for inspiration for ways to write, check it out. Until next time, stay blessed, stay cool, stay safe. Later. Peace.